In this video, we'll cover the essential steps and best practices for installing a Clearlite SureSeal shower tray. Our unique New Zealand-designed and manufactured shower tray has a full perimeter upstand and ensures a leak-free shower every time. Before installing any Clearlite product, ensure you have the printed installation manual on hand. Before installation, ensure that the walls are plumb, that the bottom plates are square, and the floor is level. Check there's extra solid fixings for the door set and battens on the bottom plates to support the jib above the shower tray. Place the shower tray against the jib and scribe a pencil line 5 mils above the tray. Scribe directly against the front of the tray as it will be rebaited back into the jib in its final position. You can either remove the shower tray and cut out the jib, or fit the jib after the tray is installed. Place the shower tray back into the recess and check to ensure that the tray waste outlet aligns with the waste body already installed in the floor. Check that the shower tray upstand front face does not protrude further than the jib surface. If it does, the tray will need to be rebaited into the bottom plate. Clean immediate area where the shower tray will be installed to ensure it's free from dust and debris. Partially remove the clear protective film from the shower tray around the rear, upstand, and waist areas. Keep the remaining film in place until the installation is complete. Apply a bead of silicone sealant along the face of the bottom plates to prevent any possibility of squeaking. Apply a generous bead of the supplied shower bond to each support ring on the underside of the shower tray. Lower into position and push lightly to set in place. It's important to not apply excessive weight or stand on the shower tray for at least 24 hours, as that would cause the shower bond to dislodge from under the support rings and compromise its adhesion. A qualified plumber can now install the Easy Clean waste as per the installation manual. The Clearlite SureSeal shower tray is now installed and ready for a wall liner and door set to be fitted. Key points to remember: check walls and floor are plumb and square. Check extra support for door set and shower tray. Scribe and cut the jib. Align the waste outlet. Check shower tray upstand position. Clean the installation area. Partially remove the protective film. Apply silicone sealant along bottom plate. Install within 15 minutes of shower bond application. Allow 24 hours for adhesives to cure. For detailed instructions, always refer to the installation manual supplied with the Clearlite product. Failing to follow the printed installation instructions may void the warranty.